Welcome to the LIP network, and to our existing members, welcome back. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you can use the LIP network platform to share your work, promote your ideas, and get the rest of the community engaged in your activities. There are a couple of main ways that you can source engagement and support from the community using the LIP network platform. We can start with events. So this is our events hub. Any type of events can be listed here, including training events, webinars, conferences. To add an event, just click the Create an Event button. It might be worth mentioning at this point that this platform uses a white label format, so some of the terminology might seem a bit strange. In order to add an event, just put in the name of your event. You can upload a banner image, but we have templates on hand if you'd like us to create some imagery for you. You can then put in the link to your event if there is an external place you'd like people to visit to register. Pop in a description about your event, and if you'd like, you can use the excerpt text to share something from the event itself. You can then add the location to the event. We're working with our developers to get an online option, but you can search for physical addresses, or where not appropriate, just make sure the address line, city and county is populated. You can then set the date and time of your event, including starting time and finishing time. You can also ticket your event on the platform, but you don't have to complete any of this. You can click to hide an attendee list of those who indicate their interest on the LIP network platform. Pop in your contact details, including your Twitter account and any other social media sites that you'd like people to share the event on. You can also add sub-events. If you're running a conference, you can add your sessions here. Once you're ready to share the event, click the Create Event button, which will generate a link that you can share with colleagues and co-workers. Submitted events will be admin approved before being listed on the events page. Members can now view your event and indicate whether they're interested in attending. You can also see a list of who is registered to attend your event. Moving on to adding resources to the platform, again, simply click the Create a Resource button and type in the details of your resource. For resources, we are looking for anything that interests you or that you find useful in undertaking your work and your activities. We recommend linking to resources as hyperlinks in the body text of the resource and opening them in a new window. You can also upload files as a resource. Remember to categorize your resource using the categories that work best to describe what your resource is aiming to help and support users with. Once you're ready, you can create your resource, and that will again be sent to admin for approval. Once approved, it will be shown on the resource page and under the relevant category. The opportunities section can be used to list projects, initiatives and offers you'd like the rest of the community to engage with. To create, simply click Create an Offer and pop in the information. This is where you can see we're a little bit constricted by the white label platform, but the promotional tier doesn't make a difference. Neither does the promotion type, though if you'd like to categorize it, please feel free. The rest of the information can be entered as you would expect. Again, if you'd like us to help you with some imagery, please let us know and we can give you templates or create some for your organization or initiative. Again, these opportunities can be categorized so that community members can find them quickly. Offers can also be dated, which is particularly useful for events and vacancies. Once you're finished, simply save the opportunity. These will be sent to admin for approval, and once approved, will be found on the opportunities page. If at any time you'd like to change your offer, simply click the edit button and you will have full editing rights to the opportunity. For example, here we're putting in a hyperlink to our offer that we forgot to add previously. You can update, and those updates will be made immediately. Now we'll move on to forums. Forums can be used to spread the word about your work in a number of different ways. Forums around specific topics can be created. If you'd like to moderate a particular forum on your expert topic, please let us know and we can set that up for you. But you can also add your information and expertise to previously existing discussions by adding your thoughts and uploading attachments, which can be downloaded by the rest of the community. Moving on to polls. Polls can be used to get a snapshot understanding of what our users are thinking and feeling about particular topics. Simply create a poll, input the information you're looking for, and add some options for people to vote on. You can then choose the publishing dates for your poll and when it will run from and to. Poll results can then be exported after the polls have closed. Next, we'll be moving on to the news function. The news function can be used to share your updates, press releases, and opinion pieces. Simply click Create a News Post and enter your imagery and text as before. You can either copy and paste from a Word document, or you can use the fully functional text editing facilities on the platform. You can see here that you can add pictures, link externally, input source code, and adapt text, font and styles so that it accurately reflects your brand. Once all your details are ready, you can submit your article. Once articles are approved by the administrator, they will appear on the news page where community members can click to learn more about your work and activities. That's it for this session on using the LIP network to share your work. If you need any further help or guidance, you can connect with a member of the LIP network team and message us on the platform.